Good morning, guys. You can see currently it's 9:20, and you can see that the market in pre-market the market actually showed gap up. But what happened is that the market couldn't cross this level, the order block level as we have plotted earlier. So if market would have gapped up, we could have easily looked for bullishness and towards the upside. But here you can see the market trying to take support from this pivot level. But looking at premium charts, you can see clearly in Bank Nifty that here you can see this is the pivot level, and you can see the price rejection from this gap level as well. And you can easily take long position here, guys. You should just wait for a retracement, and after a good retracement we can actually look for a long position, keeping our stop loss just below and targeting all the way to this pivot level as well. Currently though, even the market seems to be kind of sideways, I guess. You want to see good impulsive move towards the upside, guys, with fair value gaps. You can see here, though the market show a little bit of fair value gap, not a clear fair value gap, signifying upward momentum. So if you look at Nifty though, Nifty is trying to take support from this level, guys. A cross of this 200 moving average, we will look for short side, or else there is high chances that you can keep your stop loss here, and target all the way higher as well. This is my Nifty trade analysis. You can actually enter your position keeping your stop loss. You can see here in put side premium, you can see this kind of liquidity over here. There are high chances that the market would face some sort of rejection here, and you can expect the market to go lower from here. As you can see here, the market couldn't cross this 200 moving average, and the market is trying to go there, and there are high chances that the market would go bearish from here. But before this bearishness, there might be huge premium decay over here, so we can't expect how much premium decay in call side it's gonna be before it actually breaks towards the downside. So it's better you can keep your stop loss just below at 136, and you can enter your long position at 142, keeping a small 7 to 8 points of stop loss. You can see I told you guys, even though the market is bullish and this retracement, look at this, guys, and it has hit our stop loss. So you can see this bullish candle and this bullish candle and this one bearish candle clearly broke towards the downside. So if you try to plot the swing structures over here, this is one swing, and if you consider, say, this is the swing, but it made a higher low, but it made a lower low here. You can see clearly that here, and this candle to this candle, it made a lower low but higher low, and look at this, it made a lower low here, guys. This is a trap where the premium decay will happen, guys, and in Nifty also you can expect that kind of premium decay, but currently you can see clearly there is no much premium decay. Look at this, guys, the market is trying to go higher. There is high chance that the market would go double also, like 140 all the way to 200. Yeah, we can keep a minimum target of 200 if it clearly breaks the structure. You can see here the market is trying to head higher. Looking at spot chart, you can see, look at this, guys, the market formed some sort of support. So you can clearly could have entered long position here, keeping your stop loss just below this pip. Even the premiums here didn't move much. It formed a lower low also. You could have bought the price in a discount. So there is a high chances that the market would go here as well. This is the target, guys, yesterday's close, because we can't expect the market to go much higher, because there is a high probability that the market would go sideways as well. But let's look at this trade, guys. You can see here lower low to lower high, lower low to lower low, clearly signifying the people who might have entered to take all those stop loss, the market has to come down. But here you can see clearly that this upward momentum, there is no much bullishness over here. There are high chances the market would face some sort of rejection. But here also you can see the market is trying to face rejection from this VWAP level as well. And looking at Nifty though, it's moving really good, guys. You can see I told you you could have entered at 142. The market is currently trading at 170, 30 points in profit. And you could have tried your stop loss all the way to 153 now. Coming to Nifty spot chart, you can see clearly, as I told you, you could have entered long position here. If you look at Nifty spot chart, you can see 200 moving average support over here. So I told you to just hold on, and here you can see the R1 S1 support over here, clearly signifying bullishness, and this dodgy candle formation after R1 support clearly indicates some sort of bullishness over here. And you can see price also trying to take support from here. When you see another green candle or another blue candle showing bullishness, you can trial your stop loss all the way to 163. So currently you can keep your trial your stop loss to 154, guys. There are high chances the market would go bullish, and this though will definitely go bearish, guys, from here on. The target levels in Nifty, you can see the market has broken the high also, yesterday's high also. There are high chances that the market will continue further bullishness, because you can see yesterday's high also has been broken. This is the yesterday's high, which has been clearly broken, and price is trading above yesterday's high. So there are high chances the market will continue further bullishness also. But in confluence with Bank Nifty, we should always keep it in mind that you can see clearly the market is facing some sort of rejection over here. So as long as it moves above this VWAP level, we will continue our long position, or if it breaks this VWAP level with fair value gaps, we will continue towards the downside. So as of our analysis in Bank Nifty, yesterday we told that the market, there are high chances would move between this and this range. So we should always be vigilant about Bank Nifty. And Nifty, you can see clearly the market is trying to face some sort of rejection from this 9 moving average, clearly indicating some sort of bullishness. So there are high chances the market will go all the way here as well. So let's hold on to our position, guys. We'll trial our stop loss to this zone. So we have entered here. So 157. Now we might have clearly booked a profit of 15 points now. So there's nothing to worry. We are expecting that this bullish momentum would continue further towards the upside. And you can see clearly that this bullish momentum, the market isn't very bullish, you can expect the market to go all the way here as well. So it's better to exit our position, guys, as our SL is going to be hit. Trial SL. You see again the market is facing rejection from this VWAP or this pivot level. This green color 9 is the pivot level. And you can see clearly the market didn't close above this candle, guys. This is what we wanted, a clear close above this candle. So what we can expect is that if you try to use moving averages here, you can see clearly the market though is very bullish. Try trading above 9 and 21 moving average. And if you try to plot the fib levels here, you can see clearly this zone. There are high chances the market will continue further down. Even this low also will be broken down because there is no clear break of structure towards the upside. So the market might go all the way here as well. So we can't expect, because today we are thinking the market would go sideways also. But looking at premium charts also, there is high bullishness over here in Nifty. See clearly the market all took support from here, this 350 level, and trying to head higher. And in case this is the 550 level, and in case if you want to move in confluence with anchor VWAP level, you can see clearly still the market is only bullish, guys, because you can see the market didn't cross this 200 moving average, this anchor, this VWAP level, and this 350 level where the price is trying to take support from here. And if you try to place anchor VWAP here also, see clearly the market broke structure towards the upside. If you place anchor VWAP, you can see clearly the price after this support over here, the market tried to rally towards the upside. And look at this, guys. We had placed our stop loss, trial stop loss like here, but what happened is that market took our trial stop loss and continued further higher. And coming to Nifty, so the Nifty is clearly bearish, guys. Even though you can see this kind of trendline liquidity over here, clearly not crossing this VWAP level, you can see from here to all the way here, the market is also bearish in Nifty. Even that market is making higher highs here. Here you can see the market again continuing to form lower lows here. Another lower low. There is no clear sentiment in Nifty. And coming to 5-minute zone over here, let's see if there is any order block over here. So if you try to use the short money concepts Lux Algo to see if there is any order blocks, you can see clearly here there is an order block which clearly this last up move, which clearly broke towards the downside. Can you expect this also? Like there is a fair value gap here, so there are high chances the market will continue further bullish from here. So what we can see is that there are high chances the market would go to this liquidity over here, this fair value up here. So let's you can see clearly this is the order block as I have told you earlier. So once if it crosses this level and close above this zone, definitely this order block will be broken, guys, and there are high chances the market will continue all the way high here. So there is a good probability that the market will continue all the way here. So as we have thought of taking long position here, still we are holding on to our position, guys. There are high chance the market would go all the way to 205 as well till the R1 level. And what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, you can see towards the put sides who might have sold puts. Clearly, they're in good profit case. I have told you this trend and liquidity and price facing rejection from this way up level. There are high chances the market will continue further bearish. For premiums, there is no much premium move in. There is no much premium moves in Bank Nifty, and for option buyers, I think this is very tough, very difficult. You can see the market even took from some kind of higher low here and tried to break this high also, but here you can see clearly that even the market from higher high here, the market is forming lower low, clearly indicating some sort of bearishness. But Nifty though is clearly bullish only, guys. You can see clearly Nifty is very bullish. There are high chance the market will continue further bullishness. This is because of liquidity only, guys. Because in Nifty there is huge volumes. You see clearly there are high chance that the market will continue further high like this. But the market couldn't cross this 5-minute order block. You can see clearly this 5-minute order block the market didn't cross. So it closed above this is what we wanted to, what we have expected. This is the high of that order block. So let's wait and watch, guys. You can see the market might be trying to grab this liquidity over here. Or if you try to plot the fib levels, one point within this, you can see clearly this is overlapping. Or if you try to plot the anchor up level, you can see the market, if it faces some sort of rejection, there are high chances the market will continue further downward till here, guys. There is a very good probability, but you can see the market is trying to close above this zone after breaking this candle towards the downside. Another equal size engulfing candle came and engulfed this previous candle, clearly signifying bullishness. And you can hold on to your position, guys. You can see clearly, still hold on to your position. And there are high chances that the market even will break this high and market will reach all the way to this zone as well. This is the confluence what we needed, guys. You can see clearly this is anchor VWAP level and the market clearly broke this anchor VWAP support level. But what we should know is that after the market tries to break towards the downside the anchor VWAP level, you can see following candle or any other candle of next 2 to 3 candles will try to engulf this previous candle, clearly signifying a bullishness and the trend continuation towards the upside. And you can see here also why the market has to come here to grab this liquidity because of this impulsive momentum towards the upside. There might be a lot of imbalance in this market, imbalance here. So that's why the market has to come and fill up this liquidity and continue further bullishness. So there is very good probability that the market will continue further buying pressure over here. And you can see here in premium charts also. Here you can see clearly today is sellers day, guys. It's not for buyers. You can see clearly from here all the way from 110 to the market is moving till here, as I have told you earlier as well. And here you can see the market is trying to take support from this 50 level. And you can see this trend line liquidity over here. There are high chances that the market would break this liquidity and continue further high. And price taking support from here. And definitely there are high chances if you try to plot the extinction levels, the common point between this, the common point between this, and the common point between this, you can expect a 100% level, the 1.68 level, and this level too. So there are high chances the market would go all the way here as well. This is the 1.68 level. And here as well. So you can trial your stop loss till here, guys. This is the 550 level. So you can Keep this as your stop loss now and continue further bullishness. So you can target here as well. This is a very small target, guys. We can expect a huge upward momentum. So let's try to hold on till. So for time's sake, you can consider this to be, this is the 100% level, and price trying to break that level as well. And now you have tried your stop loss here. If the market is bullish, the market would face some sort of rejection, or a close below this zone is what we are looking for bearishness. A close or this VWAP level support, there are high chances the market will continue for the bullish momentum. And you can see here at Nifty put premiums, you can see clearly the market showing a rainbow pattern, and the distance between these moving averages also increasing, clearly signifying a lot of bearishness in the market. Bearishness in the put side, not bearishness in the spot chart. And here you can see all moving averages also are in confluence, clearly signifying a huge bullish momentum towards the upside. And there are high chances the market will continue further buying pressure from here. But here, definitely the market is trying to move sideways, guys, as of my yesterday's analysis, as I've told you, that there is a very high probability that the market would move sideways. So you can see clearly the market is ranging between these directions, and the premiums in both put and the call side is like decaying. You can see clearly there is even the market. It seems to be a little bit of bullishness. The premiums over here is decaying too much, clearly signifying bearishness. But Nifty though is trying to head higher, guys. You can see clearly the market even broke this trendline liquidity, and the market is trying to trade above this 9 as well as 21 moving average and 200 moving average, and we have confluence also as here. So there is very high chances the market would go all the way to 206, all the 50 points of profit as well. And Bank Nifty also is trying to go higher, but premiums though definitely is facing some sort of rejection. You can see even 1, 2, 3, this bullish candle you can see clearly from all the way to here, and here you can expect just movement from here to here itself, guys, clearly indicating there is no much bullishness. Okay, the market went to this 100% level, as I have already marked. This was the 100% level. The market reached this 100% level and price rejecting drastically, and you can see clearly here, guys, the price rejection over here, and market didn't close above this level. So we need a close, guys. This you can see the market even broke the structure towards the downside, but the close is what we need to see, guys. A close below this zone is where we'll exit our position, because you can see clearly even in premiums also there is no much movement over here. You could have expected all the way from here to here 40 points in rally, but premiums though are not bullish. So anyways, our trial SL has been hit here since we have placed it here, and you can see this trendline liquidity, which is not a clear sign of bullishness, guys. We want some sort of price trying to take support from here, like after this bullish momentum, like price rallying and taking support from here, continue further high. You can see this 100% move which we have marked here. The market faced this mode all the way here, and this is the day VWAP and this is anchor VWAP. So let's make it thin. Here though the market took out, and let's try to take this away as well. Bank Nifty is totally sideways, guys. You can't even trade Bank Nifty now. Whoever might have taken Bank Nifty, clearly so much off as been, and clearly you can see this support over here. And if you might have considered the market to be bearish, you could have taken the anchor via support here, and you can see clearly if we can see the swing structure, the high, the low. So if the market closes above this zone, there are high chance the market will continue further bullish momentum. But premiums though, you can see price targeted all those buyers who might have entered here. This is just a sell hunting, guys, where the market has to go here, take all those stop losses who might have entered, and to target all those buyers who might have entered here, the market has to go and grab this liquidity. Clearly you see at this anchor VWAP level also the price is trying to form some sort of support, and the rejection candle, you can see it should take support from here as well and continue further bullishness. So there are high chances the market would go all the way to this fair value gap, and even will cross above this mid of this fair value gap as well. So coming to index, guys, like what is the Nifty? So you can see clearly India VIX, the market found some kind of trend equity and broke. So index, there might we can expect good premium moves, guys, because of good volatility in market. But in Bank Nifty, because the weekly options has been totally gone, so we can't expect good premium moves in Bank Nifty. But in Nifty, you can definitely try, guys. And today is Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, and mid cap expiry. So we will try to eliminate both Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, and mid cap, and we'll focus on Nifty itself, guys, because there is much happening in Nifty. And you can see again the price took all those SLs and trying to further continue towards the upside. And you can see how stop loss after this impulsive momentum came all the way here as well. You can see clearly now the market is trying to go head higher. And here though both call and put premiums are decaying, guys. You could have sold any of those. This is clearly for option buyers, guys. Option sellers, not for option buyers. There is no way anyone would have made some sort of profit who might have entered positions over here. So it's better not to take trades, especially on expiry days when you can expect some kind of sideways movement because of wide pivot range. And this bullish momentum is not very bullish, guys, because you can see clearly after this impulsive move towards the upside, the market is trying to form dodgy candles, clearly signifying exhaustion. The price is exhausting. And but the premiums are moving, guys. Look at this. Even the market is forming dodgy candles here. You can see good premium moves here, clearly signifying bullishness in the market. And there are high chance that the market would go all the way here as well. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. The market even broke this high as well. There are high chance that the market would go all the way to this 1.68 level as well. So we can expect good upward momentum. You can see price trying to take support from this anchor VWAP level and continue further bullish momentum towards the upside. So as you know, for me to look for a bearish outlook, the market has to face some kind of rejection from here and continue further downwards, clearly breaking this day VWAP level. But here you can see after this break of this candle and price trying to take support from this anchor VWAP levels over here, you can see a following bullish candle clearly piercing this previous bearish candle, and a close above the fib of this impulsive momentum towards the downside clearly signifies bullishness. And you can see after that also the market trying to take support from here, the anchor VWAP level, and continue further high. So there are high chances the market will continue further bullishness. And I expected good premium moves here, but you're seeing the market facing rejection, guys, which is not a good sign. Here you can see the market here formed higher high and even also formed a break this high also, but here it didn't break this high. So let's hold on to our position. Let's look at whether the market will continue higher, or we want, or there are high chance the market again will come here, take support and continue further higher as well, or the market would rally all the way to this pivot, this moving average confluence again will try to head higher also. What I was expecting before was that the market formed a sort of trendline liquidity, and there are high chances that market might take support from this 200 moving average from this anchor VWAP level and continue further bullish momentum like this. But what actually happened is that you can see after this market move and this trendline liquidity, there are high chance the market might take some support over here and continue further upward momentum. But as you know, today's expiry day, the market has to target all those buyers as well as sellers. So there is a lot of manipulation because of high volumes. So the market exactly knows what it needs to do. So the market has to come take this supply of this demand zone over here. You can see clearly this was the demand. Again, it took this demand, or the people who might have entered short position took those SLs and again grabbed this liquidity, and again it head higher all the way from 140 again to 190 or 180. A 40 points rally towards the upside, and you can see again price trying to take support from here, but this is not actually a good sign, guys. You can expect reversals from here because of this bullish momentum the market is piercing. So if this candle also is bearish with fair value gap, there are high chance that the market will continue further bearishness. So you can see some sort of bullishness over here. Here also the market is trying to be bullish, but here definitely the market is trying to go down, guys. So here you can see the market closed with a fair value gap. So the market here now has a fair value gap here. So we can see here, so if the market faces this rejection, or we want a close, if for our sentiment to be bullish, we need something, a candle like this, guys. Only a candle like this will help us define whether the market will continue further bullishness, or the market might continue all the way breaking this low, this low, this low, continuing all the way to this pivot level as well. So you can see the market closed above this anchor gap level and pierced more than half of this. So let's hold on to a position. If the market now tries to take support from here, there are high chances the market would continue further upwards. So now you can see clearly the market even broke, continued this high, and the market reached all the way to mid of this 100% move. And here you can see clearly after this bullish candle, you can see the market is trying to rally upwards. And this fib levels, guys, this is what we are seeing. This swing structure, the market here, because of this fair value gap, now we have only this fair value gap here. And we should see a close above this 100% or this mid of this swing structure and breaking even towards the upside. So now there is high chance that the market will continue further high. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You can see after this impulsive candles, a lot of sellers might have entered. But what we have told is that when this candle broke towards the downside, we should expect another candle piercing this candle because of this anchor gap level support. So what happened is that the market clearly pierced this candle, and again the market even broke this structures, this candle high, and continued further bullish momentum. Even the market formed higher high, you can here it didn't form higher high, clearly indicating the market has exhausted, guys. And what I'm expecting is that to exit your position, guys. Please try to exit your position, because I don't expect the market to be very bullish from now on. Even the market will reach here also, there is a very low probability that the market would form a higher high here. So a profit of around 40 to 80, guys, just a 40 points of profit. But today's option sellers day, guys, you can see clearly, as I've told you, after this bullish momentum, you can see followed by bearish candle breaking, piercing this candle towards the downside, clearly indicating bearishness in the market. And you could have easily sold at 110 all the way to 58, guys. You can see a double in profit in premiums, investing just about 400 to, look at this, guys. I'm telling you now, it's very obvious, guys. Even it formed a dodgy candle here also. Look at these premiums, because even if the market broke this structure forming a higher high, it didn't even close above this high as well. There is high chance that the market will continue further bullish, but premiums, there is no way that the market would continue bullish over here. And coming to Bank Nifty, you can see, look at this, guys, both call and buyers who might have bought here, clearly both premium moves. There is so much of decay. And if you go and see my yesterday's daily analysis and prediction of what would happen tomorrow in Bank Nifty, I have told you clearly that tomorrow in Bank Nifty, the market would definitely move sideways. Because I know, because of that wide pivot range, and as well as expiry also, there would be definitely a lot of premium decay. And you can see clearly that's what the market did. A lot of buyers might have entered here in a hope that the market would continue further bullishness, but what happened is that all those SL and SL has been hit, and these people who might have even entered here seeing this way of getting, trying to break out towards the upside, all the stop loss has been hit, guys. And both sellers in call as well as put sellers are in profit. This is my analysis of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, guys. But today we have taken trade in Nifty 50, because Bank Nifty definitely clearly indicates bearishness. So that's it, guys. You can expect some sort of bullishness, and the market might take support here and move till this 1.68 level. But there won't be any premium moves, guys. So it's better to exit your position. So you can see clearly the market is trying to head higher, but I don't think so. The market will continue here breaking this high also. If it breaks, I'm well happy also. But definitely, even if it breaks this high now, guys, there is high chance that the market will form a rejection candle and continue further lower only. You can see here, all these three candles here also, you can see the bullishness over here. And here on put side also you can see bullishness over here. And here you can see the market consolidating towards the downside in spot chart. You can see, look at this guy, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and you can see these three candles, okay. And you can see here 1, 2, 3 is bullish, 1, 2, 3 is bullish. There is no clear sense of what market is going to do now. And you can see the market also is trying to break here. So it breaks, it's well and good, guys. And you see there is no premium moves here. There is no spot chart movement towards the upside. So look at this. Yeah, this high, guys. Definitely this high will be broken, but there will be a rejection, guys. That's what I'm expecting. But look at this, guys. Again, the market is trying to come here. Let's hold on for another quite a period of time to see whether our 1.68 target will be reached or what. If it reaches, it's done, guys. The market is trying to consolidate above this zone, guys. If you consider this impulsive move, you can see clearly the market is trying to face some sort of rejection, clearly indicating a strong support over here. So there is a very good probability that the market, if you consider this swing to this swing and to this way, you see it's confluence to 1.68 level. You can see clearly, guys, there is a very good chance the market would go all the way here. So this target is definitely gonna be hit, guys. This is a bare minimum target. But what about premiums? We'll look at premiums, guys. Whether the market would continue and hold above this zone. You can see, wow. Definitely the market is bullish only, guys. You can see, you can expect good premium moves. And another bullish candle trying to reach this 1.68 level. So this is very tiring, guys. You can see clearly, even if the market just formed a doji over here, you can see here the premiums all the way went down here, panicking all those buyers who might have entered, guys. So it's a very tiring, actually. Here, though the market is clearly bearish, the market faced some sort of rejection here and continue to head lower. Look at this, guys. So I told you the market won't sustain above this highs, what I have told you earlier. And clearly the market again facing taking support from here and rejection of this candle as well. But premiums, you can see premiums, there is so much of decay. This is too bad, guys. Look at this. Here it formed a doji and here it formed just another higher high candle, but you see clearly how much premium decay over here. This is what I was telling you, guys. After this impulsive candle, a lot of buyers might have entered, expecting the market would continue further high. But look at these premiums. Here, a lot of buyers might have entered, but targeting all those buyers. The market came down. But look at this. For option sellers, they are happily sitting, just trialing their stop loss here, 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 here. Not for option buyers, guys. Today is not a day for option buyers. And if you try to look at Nifty though is trying to go bullish, guys. You can see clearly here the price kind of taking support, and you can see good premium moves over here as well. So I didn't see this actually. If I would have seen, I could have easily taken this trade. You can see these two impulsive candles clearly signifying bullishness. See this candle and as well as this candle, and price trying to take support here, forming its kind of support here. I could have easily taken here with a short scalp also if I would have seen, but for time being, let's keep it here. Even you can see a lot of bullishness over here, breaking this high also, the yesterday's high also. There is no much premium moves, guys. You can see clearly, but Nifty though is trying to be bullish. You can see clearly there is a bullishness in market, and market trying to reach all the way to 1.68 level. So if this target is done, I'm done, guys. I'm done for the day. But here you can see even if the market reaches the 1.68 level, the market didn't sustain above this high also. In spite, the market made another target done also. Like the market here, how the market reached 100% level, it couldn't, the premiums didn't move. Even this momentum also, there is no much premium move. You can see it was just trading in this high range only. Bank Nifty is quite bullish only, guys, now. But there is no premium moves, guys. That's what I was telling you. You can see clearly there is no much premium move. Even in spite, the market has to go take support from these pivot levels and the R1 support level, S1 support level. The market rallied all the way from here to here. It's like 150 points in profit. 150 points rally towards the upside. You can see here the premium. Actually, I expect 150 points in premium break around 130, and you can see just here there was some sort of bullishness, but here definitely again the market is trying to be bearish only. So let's not focus on that. Let's focus on Nifty. Nifty, so you can see clearly again the market might face some sort of rejection here, and the market reached the 1.68 level. You can see our target here. Let's look at Nifty futures, guys. Let's see, like, if I might have taken Nifty futures, what would the condition be here? It's better sometimes to take trade in the futures, guys, because see, you don't have to deal with the premium decay and stuff. You see, if you might have taken yesterday, after gapping up, also you could have taken long position here. Also, you could have been in a very good profit here, still holding on to Nifty. Nifty, target done, guys. And you see clearly it didn't make higher high. Clearly the market even is very bullish, breaking this higher high. As I've told you, here you can expect, guys, there is very high possibility that even after this high also the market face some sort of rejection. Definitely the market will continue further high, but here the premiums, no, guys. And I'm done, guys. As I have told you, my live trade on Nifty for today. But regularly I used to post on Bank Nifty, but today I have tried to post on Nifty 50 because I know definitely Bank Nifty is gonna die today because of lot of premium decay. And Nifty 50, my targets has been done, guys. We expected the market here itself. We analyzed that the market will continue further high. Again, we have another confluence here, another confluence here, another confluence here, which I posted you, another confluence here also, which I posted you to why to hold on to here. And you can see clearly the market is rallying. You can expect here also very breaking this, filling up all this fair value gap also. But look at this, guys. The market also reached here clearly with good premium moves. But I don't think the market will sustain. Let's see. This bullishness also, we expect another bullishness like this kind of also. So the market closed above this zone. So we'll exit, guys. It's better to exit this position. You can expect another bullish candle reaching all the way to 205 as well. This was actually our target when previously we could have seen this is what our target was. But because of this huge up rally, also the market was not trying to move with premiums. That's why I had to exit this position. But this one candle is quite unexpected. Target is done, guys. There is no point of explaining further. So you can see there is a good bullishness. I'm quite happy about that. This 1.68 level target has been done. So you can go all the way here as well. The 2.68 level. So, or the midway between this line also. It's done, guys. You don't need to hold on to your position. I'm so done, guys. If the market moves, you can actually make things out. But my basic job here is to make you analyze how to take trades, guys, and not to prove you that okay, see if the market will go. I can't predict the future, but I can definitely minimize your risk to risk reward ratios and help you how to hold on to your positions and in your trades even after this kind of impulsive candles forming, clearly targeting all those buyers, how to hold on to your positions. So I think my knowledge here is helpful for you. Look at this, guys. After this also the market clearly broke even this 2.68 level, and you can see here as we have marked here our target has to be here also, and the market was trying to trade above this zone. The market clearly broke this structure and it even broke this 206 level, went all the way to 240, a double of this premium, all the way from 140 to 240, guys. A 100% move here. You can see 100% points you could have easily captured. And look at this, guys. This is what we are trading for actually. Mm, you could have held it on because the market would have here trading above this 921 moving average as this kind of consolidation. It's quite difficult, guys, but through a lot of practice, even for me also, it will definitely come. But you can see clearly, look at this, guys. You could have easily exited also, even though you haven't lost anything, but holding on to your trade and expecting your targets to reach here as we have plotted this 2.68 level or this fair value gap being taken because there was so much imbalance here. So there was a good probability that this fair value gap would be taken. So, so you can see here the market has to come reach this order block level. This is order block. And the market came all the way midway between this, and you see some sort of rejection from here. So this was our target, guys, to 2.68 because initially we placed it to 1.68 level, and after this bullishness, we expected the market to go all the way here. So the market reached here to our 2.68 level target, and you can see 230 to 240, I guess. The market came all the way to 240 as well. That's it, guys. That's it. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and comment, guys. And hopefully, my YouTube community over here will grow and will be helpful for a lot more people, guys. Thank you.